One of the things that I do on every set, when I come into a place that has fluorescent lights in the ceiling, the first thing I do is I'm ripping those fluorescents out of there and putting Asteras up in there. That way I have total control. If I want to take just one tube out, I don't have to go up there, unscrew the thing, do all that stuff. And we have all these on magnets, so they're able to just pop right in there and they give you the perfect value. We can change color temperature, we can make them dance, we can have them make super colors, whatever it is, we have all the flexibility. Now the cool thing that we're going to do here is we're able to create what we call is sky hooks. So when you have this drop ceiling, you take 1x3s, you put a baby nail on it, you put it up there across the two sides like this, and that goes up there, it supports it no problem, and then you're able to put another group of Asteras so I can come down and do a nice top source over them. And what I want to do is, because this is a flashback, I want to kind of make it so it's a little surreal. So I'm going to light them a little brighter in the center where they are and let the rest of the convenience store kind of fall off in lighting. So these are the kind of things that I'm doing throughout all of the flashbacks, that it's almost like they have a subtle spotlight on them amongst the world that they live in.